Hey guys, Chris McPhail here again from Impact Off-Road Group. Today I thought I'd show you a quick snippet of a truck that we've just kitted out. This is the latest facelift model and it's also our first blackout on this particular model. So when I say blackout, what I mean is we've done a full blackout pack. So we've done a bull bar, we've done the tow bar in black, and we've also done all the rims in black as well. This particular truck, a bit hard to see, but we've also set it up with a winch mount. So this one's made so if the guy wants to run a winch, you can set it up through the front, you can also run it through the back, as our tow bars have removable tongue. We've also set it up with double lights on the top, diode, SS3s, full set of seat covers and an aftermarket stereo with some speakers. Jump online, check out what we do and we'll see you next time.